Numbers chapter 9. And the Lord spoke to Moses in the wilderness of Sinai in the 2nd year of their coming forth from out of the land of Egypt, in the 1st month, saying, Speak, saying, and let the sons of Israel prepare the Passover according to its season. On the 14th day of the 1st month, towards evening, you shall observe it, according to its time, according to its law. And according to the interpretation given for it you shall observe it. And Moses spoke to the sons of Israel to observe the Passover, commencing on the 14th day of the month in the wilderness of Sinai. As the Lord gave orders to Moses, thus the sons of Israel did. And men came who were unclean by reason of touching a dead soul of a man, and they were not able to observe the Passover in that day. And they came forward before Moses and Aaron on that day, and those men said to them, We are unclean by reason of the dead soul of a man. Are we then lacking so as to bring the gift to the Lord according to its time in the midst of the sons of Israel? And Moses said to them, Stand yourself, and I will hear what the Lord gives charge concerning you. And the Lord spoke to Moses, saying, Speak to the sons of Israel, saying, A man whoever becomes unclean by reason of a dead soul of a man, or on a journey far from you, even among your generations, shall observe the Passover to the Lord. In the 2nd month, on the 14th day, towards evening, they shall prepare it. Upon unleavened breads and bitter herbs they shall eat it. They shall not leave behind any of him into the morning, and they shall not break a bone of his. According to the law of the Passover they shall observe it. And a man whoever might be clean, and is not on a journey far away, and should lack to observe the Passovers, that soul shall be utterly destroyed from out of its people, because the gift to the Lord he offered not according to its time. That man shall take his sin. But if a foreigner should come forward to you in your land, and would observe the Passover to the Lord, then according to the law of the Passover, and according to its arrangement, thus he shall observe it. There will be one law to you, both to the foreigner and to the native born of the land. And in that day, which the tent was set up, the cloud covered the tent, the house of the testimony. And in the evening there was upon the tent as a form of fire until morning. So it was always. The cloud covered it by day, and the form of fire by the night. And when the cloud ascended from the tent, then after this the sons of Israel departed. And in the place wherever the cloud stopped, there the sons of Israel camped. By order of the Lord the sons of Israel shall camp, and by order of the Lord they shall depart. All the days in which the cloud shadows over the tent, the sons of Israel shall camp. And whenever the cloud should be dragged upon the tent for many days, that the sons of Israel shall guard the watch of the Lord, and in no way shall they lift away. And it shall be, whenever the cloud should become a number of days upon the tent, by the voice of the Lord they shall camp, and by order of the Lord they shall depart. And it shall be, whenever the cloud should be present from evening until morning, and the cloud should ascend in the morning, then they shall depart by day or night. Or when being more than a month of days of the cloud shadowing upon it, the sons of Israel shall camp, and in no way shall they depart. For by order of the Lord they shall depart. They guarded the watch of the Lord, by order of the Lord, by the hand of Moses.